Healthcare is producing more data than ever before, but a simple question keeps coming up: who actually knows how to use this data meaningfully in healthcare? Clinicians, researchers, and analysts, they often work with the same data but speak very different languages. So, how do we bring biology, statistics, and computation all on a same table? That question sits at the heart of Diploma in Data Science for Healthcare program being offered by TechMedBuddy in academic collaboration with Patil University, Navi Mumbai, a 10-month, 40 credits project-based program starting this February.
And then comes the next question. Who should be teaching this kind of a program? Is it going to be only from the textbook or by people and instructors who have really developed and deployed something meaningful into the real world healthcare settings?
So, what does that change for a learner? It changes how questions are asked. How do you trust a model in a clinical setting? How do you handle a noisy biomedical data? And how do research ideas translate into systems that are actually deployed? These are kind of the discussions that shape the way the concept, projects, and case studies are approached in this program.
The learning here is shaped by instructors who have experience across research and industry settings, including work associated with Roche Healthcare, Mercedes-Benz, IIIT Delhi, JNU, ISC Bangalore, and many other prestigious institutions across India. And finally, who this program is really for. The program has been specifically designed for working professionals who want to upskill themselves in the world of clinical areas, and for students, academicians, and researchers who want to make a transition to the world of healthcare data science and really want to understand what goes behind the AI algorithms which they are making use of in their day-to-day life. But the most important question that you need to ask to yourselves is that how this program is going to be different from the other programs in the market. And there comes the answer. The answer is that in this program, we are not going to teach you the tools and the techniques only. We are going to teach you how to ask the good questions, how to ask the relevant questions, which are really questions and meant to be solved in the real world healthcare settings.